We're busy. We're packing and we're about to
Become part of your
go
shitty
to the airport. Because we're going to Singapore now. Ayan.
So, good.
Ano kami. Alis kami dito maybe like 30 minutes. Then, punta na kami ng Singapore. Ay, ng airport pala. Checking in. Hi!
Hello.
Where are we going?
Well,
Singapore. Antok na antok siya, oh. Sam, Sam. So, we're going out. We're going out. Maghahanap kami ng food. Because we're hungry. Where? Guys, dito tayo. The markets are here, Sam. The shops. This side. Sobrang init. Super! Mas mainit pa kaysa sa Pilipinas. Ba't ang init ngayon? Agay, naalala ko nung last time kami nandito. Sobrang init, umitim talaga ako. Sunblock ka ba? Hindi ako nakapal-sunblock. The Decathlon. 30 quid that one.
Hey, pa.
It's a matter of 27 pence. If you can convert it. You just have to drop it there. No more scanning, Sam. So, sabi nga no. Yeah, so this is our lunch. And we got loads of sauces. Yay!
We're all mentally unstable.
We're going to Gardens by the Bay. So I just booked a Grab and it's gonna be here within 6 minutes. I don't think it will rain, pero umulan. Pero ngayon hindi umulan.
It's like a pretty sunny, isn't it?
Ay, ang tiyan, napakalaki. We are on our way to the Super Tree. Super Tree. Level 3.
Level 3.
Level 3.
Level 3.
Level 3. Wow, Sam. Go that side. Let's go there, that side, Dale. That's the Marina Bay Sand, Sam. Hello. How are you feeling?
Nauseous.
Nauseous.
Let's take a picture together.
Yeah. Yay! Punta kami ng Marina Bay Sands. Sam! Outfit check. Chill-chill lang dapat. Kasi, pupunta kami ngayon ng Chinatown. So, we are going to Chinatown today. Then, itatry namin kung makakapunta pa kami ng Universal Studios. Pero hindi pa ako nagbubook ng ticket kasi nga, hindi ko alam kung ano yung mga ganap-ganap at mga anong oras kami matatapos. But, we will try our best. But today, we're going to Chinatown first and hopefully sa Haji Lane. Pero, it's technically our last day today in Singapore. So, we're gonna make the most of it. So, let's go! Yung dalawa nasa baba na kasi magbubuk na ng Grab. So, bababa na rin ako. Guys, this is our hotel here in Singapore. Owen House. Ayan, very chill lang siya. Very chill. Saan tayo punta? Gagala muna. Walang kaalam-alam. Sama lang na sama. Chinatown. Look at Sam. We saw this one. Yep, go inside. To the cafe. They are open. Up, 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 up. Oh. This is a video. So you're still wearing your sunglasses inside. Yeah, that's better.
Coffee breakfast.
Truffle pasta. This one is strawberry matcha latte. This one is all day breakfast and Biscoff iced coffee.
Biscoff iced
And Sam is having
Dust.
something tea.
Iced tea.
Iced tea and fries. Pasta.
Tomato.
Something beef fries. Come on, you're Sam, I want to take a picture here. Try to sit there.
Oh, great to see.
Yeah, like that. Wait.
Yeah, put your hand near your foot, like you're washing.
Masyado mababa. Yan! These are nice pasalubong, oh, Dale. Let's buy for mommy. Buy one for mamay. Cute na ito. Dale, kay mami. Oh yeah, there's a lot there. Postcards. Ay, wow.
Yes, please.
You like it?
Yeah.
Oh.
This is spicy.
I haven't tried that one.
Let me go. Babe. Perfect.
What is it? Nakabalik na kami sa hotel, then naalis na ulit kami. Nagbihis lang kami. Saan tayo pupunta?
Universal Studio.
Namili lang talaga kami ng pasalubong kanina kasi baka bukas wala lang kaming time. Tapos, punta kami Universal Studios. Talagang hapon namin talaga gusto pumunta kasi nga para maabutan namin yung fireworks display ng gabi. Tapos, doon na mag-e-end yung day namin. Tapos, pagdating namin dito mamayang gabi, matutulog, mag-i-impake. Tapos, bukas maga kami pupunta ng airport dahil sa shopping muna kami sa wala kang may tao. Changi Airport. Come here! Oh my God, you forgot your watch? Sam, you know that's not... Sam!
Did it stand up?
Yes!
It did?
Yes!
I did a bottle flip. And it stood up.
So we're going to Universal Studios now, and it's raining so bad.
Like a rag.
Sobrang lakas ng ulan.
Just rub my arms with that.
So hindi namin alam kung makakapasok pa kami doon.
To dry that.
Or siguro makakapasok naman, pero hindi ko alam kung mag-ooperate sila ng mga
Like I was in
rides.
Morocco.
So,
I was like fully
nakapag-book na rin kasi kami ng ticket. So, ang sayang naman kung hindi kami makaka-rides kasi ang mahal ng ticket ho. Hindi biro. 7,000 yata.
It was lovely.
Isa.
I would shower and get me some shampoo
Pesos.
and stand there. And, oh, lovely. Lovely.
Yes.
Lovely.
Yes.
It's the biggest-
7,000 ba?
best
Or
thing you can do for
5,000?
Yes.
Something ganyan. So, sayang naman kung hindi kami mai-enjoy.
It's pure
Pero sabi sa weather forecast, uulan hanggang mamaya.
It's through
Hanggang mamaya.
evaporation.
Eh magsasara na yung Universal Studios ng alas
pure
8.
rain, I mean it's pure coming down unless you have like government clouds.
Okay lang.
Aluminium oxide.
Basta makita mo lang.
The clouds is no good.
Na makapag-picture ka dun sa Universal
You
Studios.
get acid rain, you get nuclear power station.
Hindi, kapag humina-hina ng konti, hindi na naman ng konti, mamaya 30% chance of
I think
raining
this
lang.
is like the best antidepressant.
You can go to this. This is called Mami. It's a so-called indoor. Maybe you can.
Hi guys! Nasa Sentosa na kami. Nasa Universal Studios na kami. Ay, not sure kung Universal Studios, Sentosa, something ganyan. Sentosa. Umuulan pa rin sa labas. So we'll see kung ano mang...
Gusto niya.
Ay. Hello! We made it to Universal Studios! Eh, si Sam. Sam! Ano today? Wait, ay Sam. Still raining.
Pwede ba, no? Yan, dyan tayo.
Ayoko dyan. Kayo na lang ni Sam.
Kaso pag nakita.
Katatapos na namin dun sa Mami. Oh my God! Pawis na pawis yarn. Hindi namin alam kung saan kami susunod na pupunta. Ay, we're having our lunch, I think. Is it our lunch or ano? Is it our lunch or dinner?
No, dinner later.
No, dinner later. Tea.
But this might.
For the pagod ng mga person. So, after nito, uuwi na kami ng hotel. Tapos, baka i-impake na kami. Tsaka kasi maaga kami uuwi bukas. To Manila. Wow. Pasok na kayo. Ay, ang cute. Let's go! Come here! Ayan sila, oh. Bawal pang pumasok. Ayan.